And this problem is that the national government, through the member of parliament, they want to construct, they want to procure their own contractor. Remember, health is done what? Devolved. If they were to give us the money, and I've told the president so, if they were to give us money, it's us to procure. Therefore, we have already procured, but the member of parliament is refusing that he must do another block. For is a debate, I'm going to say this. Waheshimiwa, tukipata kwamba these guys, we had put 300 million, we'll build that facility. Again, itakuwa the modern one. Ngojea tu, hii mother child inaisha. In another 1 month, ndo mtajua kwamba kazi tu inafanywa hapo hospitalini. Allow me to end there. Na niseme kwa Ekegusi. Lero inde no mugoko sana. Nga kiara nimaete the media you'd want to hear this. Ninde no mugoko sana. Nga to launchly the headquarter ye county aiga asobole mo. No obole ange na cancer center. Egendete kwa gachu tingmo sinegendete nko endande koro sinegendete abanta kurwe wiki yaeta na agendo ronka nyoranga monto yata medu kurworo ekiraire 320 million is in his account, but he has not started, and the project is 3 billion. Ese project to arolero mu contractor once rebia ototebiringe koire metienyi emerongevere nene eyere myakebere etowo sabanga egasi yakolekane abakoli bonse egasi be account no bawo cha cooperate kurwa chi department chonspi no chiwo cha cooperate kurwa igabantu baliko nyabako nya kuminyoka umuntu agocha ugenda okora matatu galio cho sign biashara bine mbiyo aigo razma emashini ero robosi bwago ekomanye emayena wasoire naende gokwenda range ogende mashini ekorole naende sana ne korole naende ekorole naende chinsa ikomnemu ekorole kera kwendanga